Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find shot list view settings on your account on Telegram. Easy and quick. First click on these three lines here. Now click settings and now click shot settings. Now here you will find it shot list view. You can change your list view. You can make it three lines or two lines, and that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.